Okay, Brenda and Sean here from the pop-up homestead. We haven't checked in a while, but winter has definitely set in, and happy to announce that the insulation is done. As you can see, that beautiful pink insulation. Hey, Sean, how you doing tonight?
I'm having fun, as you can see.
Yeah.
Getting it done, little by little.
So, Sean, you want to share with everyone what we're getting ready to do with our little cubby hole there in the tarp for keeping us extra warm? So see, he hooked up. What are those, Velcro straps? Or nails?
Screws?
Oh, screws. So he set this up so basically when the heat is back there, our bedroom is like a little cave to hold the heat in. You want to show everyone?
Yeah,
All
let me
right.
show you. So you can see this is the bathroom, right? So this goes all the way to the end. So what we're doing is we're creating a little microclimate. We actually did it from here and covered the bathroom. And I was just thinking tonight, we don't need the bathroom to be warm. We need this room to be warm, right? So this space. So it actually works really well. It's amazing how warm it is. So, all right.
Yeah, so that's great.
There you go.
Awesome. Well, thank you for keeping us warm, Sean. And what are we using to generate heat? Did you show them what we're using to generate heat in here?
Yeah, it's a heater over there.
Yep, one little space heater, but because it's a small space, that's going to be more than enough to warm us up.
Right. It was working pretty good when it was the whole space.
And see, it's been a while since we've done an update here. So you can see the cam lights are hanging down, the insulation. We moved the filing cabinets around. Look how big the puppy's gotten. Joy! Oh yeah, she's a big girl. Lovey's still keeping us safe as usual. But yeah, it's slowly starting to look more and more like a home. So we're getting there. All this stuff is gonna go up in the lofts once the lofts are done. So then they won't be there. And eventually the beadboard, the whole ceiling is gonna be beadboard like that. Anyhow, so I just thought I'd give you a quick update on an idea on how you can stay warm when it's cold. And there you go. So just a little quick idea to stay warm without, the 3 dogs and 2 adults on the bed help.
Charlie, stop it.
Charlie's helping make the bed. All right, checking out from the pop-up homestead. Say goodnight, Sean.
Good night, Sean.
Bye.